Hello everyone. This is your weather report, Allison. According to the forecast, it looks like it's going to be a rainy week for Memphis, Nashville, Knoxville, Atlanta and other counties. If you are in any of these counties, prepare yourself.
Because nothing can save you. Nothing can save you. Nothing can save you. Nothing can save you. Nothing can save you.
The National Weather Service in Memphis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Olive Branch, Germantown, Hialeah, Bartlett and Millington. At around 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm occurred at Dyersburg and making its way towards this area. It is very important that you know that a tornado can occur during this event, so make sure that you prepare for whenever a tornado touches the ground. We will update you all, but until then, stay safe. The National Weather Service in Jackson, Mississippi has issued a flash flood warning for Terry, Florence, Crystal Springs, Georgetown and more. At around 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Memphis is impacted by a severe thunderstorm. No tornadoes have been summoned so far, but 1 to 2 inches of rain have fallen and now it has impacted your area too. It is very important you know that the water level in the rivers will rise, causing flash floods. In order to survive this event, move to the highest place of your home or a building, and it will be safe for a home when this event is occurring. We will update you all on this situation, but please stay safe.
An emergency action notification has been issued for these counties: Jackson, Memphis, St. Louis, Kansas City, and more. At around 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a dangerous chemical substance known as acid has released into the air, and it is raining. Scientists and researchers will know this rain is acid rain that can burn through house, buildings, and more. This is a very dangerous situation because acid can burn the skin and this can even cause death. So we are trying to plan an evacuation before the substance reaches the rain. Do not pack anything as we don't know how much time you have, but it can be little. You are to travel to Dallas. I repeat, you are to travel to Dallas. All airports will shut down in approximately 1 hour, so don't waste time. Make your way to the nearest airport and book your flight to Dallas. Make sure you make it to the airports, and stay safe.
The airports and evacuation centers are now closed, meaning that you were too late to leave the area. The water levels are now rising, filled with an acid chemical. The best thing that you can do now is move to the highest place of your home or building and pray that the water won't reach you. May God be with you all.